Hello, I am Professor Thomas Hormaza-Dow, and this is an explainer video from the blog of French Marketing Canada. You can find our blog at frenchmarketing.ca. Today we cover the Agile Marketing Canvas I created in 2016, the rise of digital platforms, fragmented customer journeys, and ever-changing consumer behaviors demand a more flexible and responsive approach. Enter Agile Marketing, a methodology borrowed from software development that emphasizes iterative progress, collaboration, and a customer-centric mindset. At the heart of this transformative approach lies a powerful tool, the Agile Marketing Canvas. The Agile Marketing Canvas is not your typical static planning document. It's a dynamic and visual framework designed to guide marketing teams towards success in the age of agility. Imagine a large sheet, almost like a blueprint, that visually represents your entire marketing strategy. This is the essence of the Agile Marketing Canvas. It provides a shared understanding of your target audience, your value proposition, and how you plan to reach and engage your customers. But it's not about rigidity. The canvas embraces flexibility, allowing you to adapt your plans as you learn and gather feedback. To fully grasp the power of the Agile Marketing Canvas, it's crucial to understand its underlying structure. The canvas is organized into 3 distinct layers, each offering a different perspective on your marketing efforts: customer understanding and market awareness. This foundational layer focuses on identifying your ideal customers, their needs, and the competitive landscape. It's about gaining deep insights into who you're targeting and what motivates them. Value creation and trust building. The second layer delves into how you create value for your customers and build lasting relationships. It explores your unique selling proposition, the benefits you offer, and the strategies for fostering trust and loyalty. Unique positioning and continuous adaptation. The outermost layer emphasizes differentiation and agility. It's about defining your unique position in the market, adapting to change, and constantly iterating to stay ahead of the curve. Within these 3 layers, the Agile Marketing Canvas operates on 2 distinct levels, further enhancing its depth and practicality. Strategic level. This level provides a high-level overview of your marketing strategy. It's where you define your overall goals, identify your target audience segments, and outline your core value proposition. This level sets the stage for more detailed planning. Tactical level. This level delves into the specifics of execution. It's where you break down your strategic goals into actionable tasks, define key performance indicators, KPIs, and outline the tactics you'll use to achieve your objectives. The Agile Marketing Canvas is further divided into 4 quadrants, each representing a crucial aspect of your marketing strategy. First, we have the customer-centric quadrant. This part emphasizes a deep understanding of your target audience. It involves developing detailed customer personas, mapping customer journeys, and identifying pain points and unmet needs. This customer-centric approach ensures that all your marketing efforts are aligned with the people you aim to serve. Next, we move to the trust and relationship quadrant. Building strong customer relationships based on trust is paramount in today's competitive market. This quadrant focuses on strategies for nurturing these relationships, such as content marketing, social media engagement, and personalized communication. Then there's the value delivery quadrant. This one examines how you deliver value to your customers at every touch point. It involves optimizing your product or service offerings, streamlining your sales process, and ensuring a seamless customer experience. Value delivery is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing commitment to exceeding customer expectations. Finally, we have the adaptability and growth quadrant. In the ever-changing digital landscape, agility is key. This quadrant emphasizes the importance of continuous learning, experimentation, and adaptation. It encourages embracing data-driven decision-making, testing new approaches, and iterating based on feedback and results. The art of overlay, uncovering hidden connections. One of the unique aspects of the Agile Marketing Canvas lies in its ability to be folded, creating overlays that reveal deeper interdependencies between different elements. Imagine folding a piece of paper. The sections that touch each other highlight connections and relationships that might not be immediately apparent when the canvas is laid flat. Illuminating relationships, key overlays, and their impact. These overlays are not arbitrary. They are strategically designed to illuminate key relationships within your marketing strategy, customer understanding, and value delivery. This overlay emphasizes the crucial link between knowing your customers and delivering value that resonates with their needs and desires. Trust and relationship and adaptability and growth. This overlay highlights how building strong customer relationships requires ongoing adaptation and responsiveness to their evolving needs and preferences. Value delivery and unique positioning. This overlay underscores the importance of aligning your value proposition with your unique positioning in the market to stand out from the competition. Aligning with agility, the canvas in the Agile Marketing Manifesto. The Agile Marketing Canvas is not merely a tool, it's a philosophy that aligns perfectly with the values espoused in the Agile Marketing Manifesto. This manifesto, inspired by the principles of agile software development, outlines a set of values and principles for success in the modern marketing landscape. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. The Canvas promotes collaboration and communication within marketing teams and with other departments. Working software over comprehensive documentation. The Canvas emphasizes iterative progress and tangible outcomes over lengthy planning cycles. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. The Canvas underscores the importance of understanding and responding to customer needs and feedback, responding to change over following a plan. The Canvas embraces flexibility and adaptation as essential elements of successful marketing in a dynamic environment. Conclusion: is embracing continuous adaptation and value creation. The Agile Marketing Canvas is more than just a planning tool. It's a catalyst for continuous adaptation and value creation. By providing a shared understanding of your target audience, your value proposition, and your path to success, the Canvas empowers marketing teams to navigate the complexities of the digital age with agility and confidence. The Canvas is not about rigid adherence to a predetermined plan, but about embracing a mindset of continuous learning, experimentation, and improvement. By fostering collaboration, communication, and a customer-centric approach, the Agile Marketing Canvas empowers businesses to stay ahead of the curve, deliver exceptional customer experiences, and achieve sustainable growth in today's dynamic marketplace.